Gracie Stennett, she is celebrating her 5th birthday. Miss Gracie, I want you to have a marvelous party, kiddo. She celebrates in Iola.
All right, and we have Landry Blackledge, turning 6 years old this year. Landry is in Joplin.
Fearless. Look at that.
I see. Okay, so her birthday, she was born on June 1st, 2016, 6116. Makes her birthday a palindrome. That's pretty cool.
And at 6 years old, she's like, give me that animal. That's awesome. Abel Jackson celebrating his 7th birthday, ready to take to the field. We'll get this rain out of here, Abel. Get you playing again, man. Happy birthday in Pittsburgh.
All right, and Jackson Schaub.
Nice.
Jackson, the award-winning Jackson, is in Franklin, Kansas, turning 11 years old.
Got the hardware to prove it right there. On to the teenage years for Josie Stewart, as Josie turning 13. Josie, have a great day in Galena. Beautiful picture, too. Look at those flowers.
I love the tulips there, yes. Landon Greenway, welcome to the teenage years as well. Landon celebrating in Bronson.
It's a heck of a cake you got there, Landon. I love that. Sydney Moore, she is 15 years old. Sydney, I want you to have a marvelous birthday in Crestline.
All right, in Carthage, turning sweet 16. It's time to celebrate for Kylie Buck.
Into the 20s, as Dawson Mirando is celebrating his 22nd birthday. Dawson, happy birthday in Frontenac.
And in Columbus, Chris Johnson celebrates birthday number 44 this year.
Tony Daniels, a 57th birthday. Tony, I hope you have a marvelous birthday in Cherryvale.
And we've got a 37th anniversary to celebrate in Crestline, although the picture was taken at Niagara Falls, which is pretty awesome. Congrats to the Huttos, John and Kenna, 37 years together.
And then in Thayer, we have Carl and Nancy Thornton. They're celebrating their 48th anniversary. Congratulations to the Thorntons in Thayer.
All right. In Columbus, Heather Schuberger turns 39 years old today. Happy birthday to Heather. And Jeff Voles is 34. We've got a former Galesburg resident there with love from the family.
Trent Boltinghouse, one point in time called Gerard home, celebrating the birthday. Trent, have a great day. Ashley Chapman, she is now the big 4-0. Ashley is celebrating in Parsons. We've got a 1st anniversary on our hands too. Congratulations to Jesse and Beth Bauer. They're celebrating the big number 1 and celebrating the 31st year of marriage. Mike and Julie Rebel. And the Rebels, they're celebrating 31 in Iola. Now, happy birthday and happy anniversary